Are you ready? Oh yeah, I'm gonna be late! Wait, if you guys are here, it must be. Wait, is it? It's time for super simple stuff!
Can I join in?
Of course you can.
What is it we're going to do today, Hadley?
We're gonna do experiments.
Experiments, boom.
We're gonna do outside door time.
Outside door time?
Out the door time.
Out the door time.
And news around the globe. And don't forget, stick in with this video to see the outtakes.
Outtakes! Cute, lovely.
Right, what we need is vinegar.
Oh. Well, vinegar.
We need a tray. That's big. That's big.
Or a Pyrex dish. Could be any tray though. Any tray at all. Bacon tray or a serving tray.
It's half the size of the container. We need a syringe. What?
Whoa.
What the?
What else do we need?
We need a container.
Whoa.
Down.
It's like a little mini volcano container. Mm.
And we need something to make it like that. Like that. If you shake it, it goes fizzy. Oh, coming at soda. What?
Woohoo.
No.
So.
I'm gonna read it. Bicarbonate of soda. Okay.
So what we've got is some vinegar. We've got a bowl. You can have any kind of bowl just to stop it going everywhere if it's when it erupts. You need some bicarbonate soda. You need a little container, as is like a little volcano, but you don't need that. It could just be a little glass. And then we've got...
It's a room!
And again, this is really just to put the vinegar in. You could tip the vinegar in, but it comes out a bit better if it's in some kind of syringe. So that would be really cool as well. Right. So what's the first step?
What we need first is bicarbonate of soda.
Okay. And what do we do with it? Where does it go?
It goes into the container.
Into the container, which we're going to call from now on the volcano. So a little bit into the container. How much you got to put in?
Stop.
Yeah?
Yep.
So what's that? Maybe two teaspoons. Okay. Right, but that's one side so it doesn't get messy. What's next?
What we need next is some vinegar.
Some vinegar. Right, let me open the top then.
I think you can use anything.
Is this where you use the syringe?
Yes.
Okay, there you go then.
This.
Be careful, this could get messy. Put it in.
I'm scared. I can't put it in.
Oh, yeah.
I can't put it in.
You can't put it in, can you, because of that?
Okay.
So we've just realised our little vinegar tub, which most probably have, has got a really tiny little hole, so we can't get anything with a syringe. So...
Well, we could, but it would be a little messy. Though.
It would get very messy, so... Yeah, that
ain't
going to work, is it? So we've got an extra glass, and we're going to just go...
What the heck? What? I think...
Like that, and put a little bit... Oh! Oh, that's smelly. Smelly.
I'm fine. I don't mind the smell of vinegar because I like it on my food.
Yes, it's nice. So we're going to draw... Now, how much have you got to suck up to the syringe?
I think all the way up, I think.
All up to the top. That, in this case, is 5 millilitres, 4 to 5 millilitres.
4 to 5 millilitres, boy.
And then, what happens next?
And then we just pour it into the volcano.
Whoa!
What?
What's happening?
It's erupting.
Should we do it again? Let's put some more in. So you can do it more than once. And really give it a good fire in this time.
Yeah.
Whoa, see it expanding. What's it look like?
I can do that. It looks like lava.
Lava. And what's lava?
It's really hot molten rock. Really.
Yeah, really hot molten rock that's come up from under the ground where it's really
lock.
Really hot molten rock that's come up from under the ground. Because how does a volcano form? It's where two pieces of land come together. What happens?
They bend up.
Yeah, they bend up.
And then it goes all black.
That's right.
You won't think it's true, but there's actually some lava under the rocks under the sea.
Yeah, there is lava under the rocks under the sea, you're right. And what happens is, some of that, there can be a weakness. So you got the sea, and then the rock, and there's a weakness, and the lava bursts through, and it keeps going up, and keeps going up, and keeps going up, until it comes out the top of the water, and forms an island.
Touch it.
You can touch it. So Hadley, what is the super simple science going on here?
So, it's the vinegar and the bicarbonate of soda coming together to make carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, that's cool. And it expands, because it's in a small place. When it expands, it looks like...
lava.
Like lava.
And lava.
And there you can see why we needed a tray, because you get this kind of mess going on. So do make sure you do it inside a tray. So, is this big enough, this experiment, do you think?
No.
Is it not?
We're gonna do it bigger!
So as you can see, we wanted to make the experiment a bit bigger, so Hadley suggested we use...
Diet Coke and everybody's amazing Mentos!
This could get really, really messy. So that you can see, because you're a bit far away, we've also got this little handy cam to do the zoom up bits, the close... Yeah.
Look at me. Yeah.
So we got that on standby as well, but I'll put you back down for a minute, okay? I'll put you back over there.
Bye, sorry.
I'll put you back
Sorry,
over there.
just we can't use you at the moment.
Okay. So we wanted to make it a little bit bigger. So we got a glass. Then a bit bigger than that.
So we got this.
But then we wanted to do something a little bit different. So this flat one's a little bit different. We'll show you that in a second. So we'll put that to one side. So the first one we're going to do is this.
This is so funny!
This could get really messy.
After we've done this one, can I eat one of the Mentos?
Yeah, you can eat the Mentos.
If I like one of them.
Whoa, hang on. So let me get the zooming camera. Ready? So, what we're going to do now?
We're going to put this in there.
Just the one?
We're going to put more in there.
Go on then. Well, how many do you think we should put in?
2.
2? Okay, let's get 2.
But no, nothing's happening really. Oh, it's fizzing. Oh, it's fizzing, alright. When's it gonna come off?
Didn't really go, did it? But that's just the glass, that's just a little bit bigger. Should we try the next one? I'll drink that later.
You're drinking?
Right, next one is, we're gonna try this, because I'm gonna try and drop as many as I can in at once. I'm gonna see if I can drop 4 in at once. Right, ready? Ready?
Can I drop some in after?
Whoa, oh my word again! Whoa!
What the flip?
That got a bit bigger. Look at that! Whoa, oh my word again! That was cool though. I can't wait to see an action replay of that later. So let's get that one out of the way.
Okay, that was a bit nuts.
Should we clean up? Okay. Now during that experiment, it went out the top and we didn't move the bag off the table. So now our Mentos are all wasted and kind of wet on the floor and unusable. Just there. So, plan B.
So, we went and used some other Mentos.
Yes, so the only other thing we had was option 2, which is these spearmint Mentos. And I don't know if these are going to be the same or have the same reaction, but they're the only other ones we've got, so we're going to have to give them a go. And what's special about this one is we've put a little hole in the top, just there. And what we're hoping to do is hold the Mentos on a thread, drop them in with the lid on, and see if we get a bigger explosion through a smaller hole. What do you think?
I think it'll go as high as the chimney.
Well, let's find out, shall we? Now, we're not expecting you to do this at home. This is just us taking it to be a little bit bigger. We don't expect you to put holes in tops of bottles of Diet Coke and buy multiple bottles of a Diet Coke. We're just doing this for your entertainment and education.
And
right, I'm through.
And because we just wanted to do it in the channel. Oh, gee.
Right, Hadley.
Yeah.
Hold that. Right, this is a one shot. If this works, great. If it doesn't, then it doesn't work. We don't know. Ready when you are?
Ready.
Drop, 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 drop. Oh! Oh, it's going everywhere. Whoa!
Oh.
It's still going. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna clean the camera. Oh my word again! It's still going. We've got a... Oh my! It's literally going everywhere. It's still going. You can see them in the bottom corner. I'm gonna clean the camera. You can see them reacting at the bottom. Oh, I'm getting Coke all over me. You can see them reacting in the corner there. Oh, I'm gonna move out of the way a little bit. Oh, hang on, it's coming to an end. It's coming to an end. And so it did work. It did work, yeah. The green spearmint Mentos work just as well. And we are now
soaked,
covered in Coke. So what have we actually made wet? So we've made the floor wet. And the table's a little bit wet. How far did it go? It went so high. How high do you think it went, Hadley? How high did it go?
The fence.
It definitely went higher than the fence.
It went higher than that, I think.
I reckon it went twice as high as the fence. So there you go. Maybe don't try this one at home, and certainly don't try it indoors because it's very messy. Try the first one we did.
Yeah.
So we did the open glass. What happened to the open glass?
It just fizzed.
Just fizzed and did nothing, did it? Then we did the bottle with the open top. What happened there? Yeah, it went a bit more, went a little bit higher, and it ruined all of our first pack of Mentos. But then the third experiment, we did the one with the little hole in the top. So what happened in that one?
It went double the height of the fence, and it
exploded.
It exploded. It went double as high as the fence, and it went as high as the back room.
That's more like an actual volcano, isn't it? And why do you think that acted like more of a volcano?
Because it had a tiny little hole at the top, and it went.
So lots of stuff was trying to get through a small hole, lots of pressure through a small hole, and it exploded like a volcano. Well, there you go. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Are we really untidy? We need to clean up a lot, don't we?
Back here for Super Simple Stuff News.
Welcome to Super Simple Stuff News. My name's Marcus. Do da 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 do da.
And my name's Mr. Wacka Wacka Windy Diddy.
Good name. It's impossible for you to lick your own elbow.
Did you know the only thing that can scratch a diamond is another diamond?
Whoa. The Queen has 2 birthdays. It's a bit greedy, isn't it?
The word diamond means invincible.
Whoa. Part of the news today was sent in by Hadley's best buddy,
Zachary.
So thank you, Zachary. That's it from
Me. That's it from
me. And that's it from Super Simple Stuff News out. Thanks guys, it's been fantastic today. We've really enjoyed the volcano experiments. We got a little bit messy, so again, we don't expect you to do the really big one outside, but the one inside is really cool, so thank you very much. Somebody bought you that for Christmas as well. Who bought you that experiment?
the Kennedy, so thanks to every single Kennedy.
In the world?
Not in the world, just my friend Kennedy.
Yeah, so thank you to Clara and thank you for Harrison for sending those in. They're fantastic. We had a load of fun.
Don't forget to make that red subscribe button grey.
Yes, press it now. And press the little thumbs up as well. We love that people are watching our videos, and we're going to do as many more as we can. if you've got any suggestions for any videos, we've already had some come in. So the rainbow one was sent in, the volcano one was bought for Hadley. If you want to send anything to us, because you can't comment here, but you can if you go to our Twitter. Here. There, yeah, over there. So once again, thanks guys, we've had a fantastic time.
We've had a fantastic time.
We have had a fantastic time, and we'll see you all again. But for now,
sign off!
Super simple stuff. Out! But don't go anywhere, because you know what's coming up now. Now it's time for the
OUTTAKES! Stop running. Oh, look at us.
Okay.
I just put myself in the eye.
That's it from
me. That's wrong.
Right.
It went.
Yeah, got a bit messy and ruined all that, the other original chewy Mentos.
No.
But then what happened?
What happened? Erin, do you want to say something to the camera?
Do you want to say something? What are you going to say?
Hello?
It's just minty Coke. Imagine if you'd have done that when it went off. This is the bit from the beginning that we forgot to do. Right, ready? Right.
Drum roll, please. A volcano experiment.
We both done our hair. Did you like it?